Guys, today in this video we are going to learn how to make a solution of a question based on a decimal number. Hope guys still you have been watched my two videos based on decimal numbers which has been uploaded earlier in YouTube. If guys still you have not been watched those videos, request you guys please watch those videos first, then proceed to watch this video which makes easier this video. The link of those two videos are given in a description box. In first video I have been discussed usage, what is a decimal number and its definition. In second video I have been discussed how to make addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this video I have been also discussed what is a like decimal, unlike decimal and decimal places. Now we proceed a question based on a decimal number and how to make a solution. Okay guys, first question, write 325 by 1000 as a decimal form. Solution, first we write the numerator part which is 325. Okay guys, see in denominator which is a power of 10. Okay guys, so what will you do? You just count how many zeros are in 1000. There are 3 zeros. Okay guys, so you can write this number as this also. Okay, now see here power is 3. Okay guys, or you can say zeros are also 3 here. Okay, so both the numbers are same. Okay, now see we write here the numerator term, so counting from extreme right and go in back direction 3 steps. Okay, one step, second step, third step. Okay guys, then we stop and put a dot here. Okay, now this is not a complete solution, you have to put a 0 here. Okay, so final answer is 0.325. okay guys, second question, write 0.032 as a fractional form. Okay, so how could you make solution? Solution, see first we write this number. Okay, now see how many decimal places in this question. Okay, so there are 3 decimal places, first, second and third. Okay guys, so solution will be what? We write 32, then put 1 and how many decimal places? 3. So we put 3 zeros. Okay, third question, subtract 32.02 to the product of 5 2.32 and 3. Solution. What question is saying? Okay, question is saying, first of all, you make a product of these two numbers, okay, then subtract this one, okay. So you guys know, we write first term of question like this, okay. How will make the solution? First we will write the whole numbers, okay, like this. See, this one is 6, 9, 6, 15, okay. Now solution of this product is 15696. Then what we will do next, in second number there is no decimal places, okay. In first question only 2 decimal places. Guys, you have already read, we have to make addition of all the decimal places first, okay. So this one has a 2, this one has a 0, so total decimal places equal to 2, okay. Now what you will do next, you will proceed extreme right and move to left, okay. 2 places, first place here, then second, then a stop, okay, or put a dot before 9, okay. So solution is 156.96, okay guys. Now question is saying subtract 32.02 to the product of 52.32 and 3. So now subtract, okay. See, we write like this, okay, in which the dot aligned up, or you can say becomes in a one column, okay. 6 minus 2 equal to 4, 9 minus 0 equal to 9, then dot, then 4, then 2, then 1, okay. So our final solution is 124.94, okay guys. Question number 4 guys, okay. The value of 8.32 minus 0.3 minus 2.324, okay guys. So solution, this question has a 1 positive number or 2 negative number, okay. So first we add up the 2 negative numbers, okay. So write down here 2.324, then 0.3, then addition sign here. See, these two decimal numbers are example of here unlike decimals, so we will make this number into a like decimal. So put here 2 zeros, okay, and put 1 0 before dot, okay. Now make a addition, 4, 2, 6, 8.2. Okay guys, now next what you will do, we can write this as here 8.32 minus 2.624. Okay guys, so what is a solution here? Okay, so we write here a solution 8.32 2.624, put here 0, put a negative sign. Okay, 0 is less than 4, 2 will give a 1 carry to 0, so it becomes a 10. 10 minus 4, this is 6. Okay, now 2 gives a carry to 0, it becomes a 1. Why? Because 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 1 is also less than 2, so it takes a carry from 3. It becomes 11. How it becomes 11? 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Now this becomes 2. 2 is less than 6. It takes carry. It becomes 12. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Okay. 8 now becomes 7. So this becomes a 5. Okay guys. So our solution of this question is solution, you can say 5.696. Okay guys, so this is a answer. Okay guys, now take another example. A fifth question, fill in the blank with any one mathematical symbol. What is symbol? Symbol is a greater than, second is a less than, third one is a equals to. Okay guys, now question is 4.7325, here this one, then 4.73. So what will be the symbol here? Okay, solution. Okay, see, first we write 4.7325, then 4.733. Okay guys, see here, this number and this number is same, then we have to compare about a decimal part. Okay, see, in this decimal two parts, 73 is common, so next we have to compare the third decimal places. Third decimal places is here 2, here is 3. Okay guys, so you know that 3 is greater than 2. Okay guys, so final solution is that this number is less than this number. Okay, now sixth question, write a decimal value. Question is given here 7 1/8. Solution. Guys, see this number 7, then 1/8. Okay, this is an example of a mixed fraction. If you don't know about a mixed fraction or you want to more clarity, please see my earlier YouTube video based on mixed fraction. Link is given in a description box. Okay guys, so we can write it as a 7 plus 1 by 8. Okay, now 1 by 8 value is unknown here. Okay, so how could you make solution? We write here 1 as a dividend, 8 as a divider. Okay, see 1 is less than 8, so put here 1 0. So we will put 1 dot for this 0. Okay guys, then 10 is greater than 8 now. Okay, so 8 1 ja 8 or 8 is less than 10. So subtract this one, this becomes 2. Okay, put 1 0 here. Okay, now for this 0 we don't have any worry. If we will put 2 0, then I have to put 1 extra 0 here. But in this case only we have put 1 0 here. Okay guys, so 8 2 ja 16. Okay, now subtract, then 4, then again 0. Okay, so this becomes 5 here, or this becomes 40. Now subtract this one, this becomes a 0 0. Okay, so solution is 0.125, or you can say quotient value is 0.125. so put the value here. Okay, 7 plus 0.125. Okay guys, now solution is simple. Okay, this has a whole number or this one has only a decimal part, so just write down 7.125. okay guys, or you can make solution like this also, 7.000, then 0.125, then make addition. Okay, then this 5 to 1.7. okay, so see this one is a same as this one. Okay, so our solution is 7.125. now see another example. Write a decimal value of 32 1 by 1000. Okay. Solution. Okay, we will make it a two parts, one whole number, other is a fractional part. Okay, so you guys know 1 by 1000 equal to 0.0001, or this is 32. Okay, so this becomes 32.001, or you can write this one, then put a dot, 000, put like this one, then make addition 100.232. okay, now guys this 1 by 1000 becomes this. I have already discussed in my earlier video. Okay, so I am not going to explain this one. Okay, now 8 number question. The order from the largest to the smallest fraction for the fractions 3 by 2, comma 1 by 4, comma 5 by 6. Okay guys, so I will make the solution of this question in two methods. Okay, first I will make these fractional numbers, you can say, unlike fraction into a like fraction. See, these three fractional numbers are example of a unlike fractions. Okay, because denominator are not same. So first of all we convert all these three fraction number into a like fraction. Okay, so what we will do, first we will make a LCM of 2, 4 and 6. Okay, so LCM equal to 2, 4, 6. Use here 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am using a prime factorization method. Okay, I have already made a video how to make a LCM. Okay, the link of that video is given in a description box. Okay guys, so LCM of this number is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is equal to 12. Okay guys, now 3 by 2 equal to guys, in denominator we shall make 12. Okay, so we write 3 by 2, multiply this number, okay, by 6. 6 by 6 equal to 1. This is 18 by 12. Okay, now second one is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. Now 4 3 is 12. Okay, so multiply 3 in numerator and multiply 3 in denominator. Okay, 3 by 3 equal to 1. So this is equal to 3 by 12. Okay, about this one, 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 equal to 5 by 6 into 2 by 2. Why 2? Because 6 2 is 12 here. Okay, so this becomes a 10 by 12. See, now here you can write 3 by 2, 1 by 4 and 5 by 6 corresponding like fraction. 3 by 2 equal to 18 by 12. Okay, now see, for 1 by 4 3 by 12 or 5 by 6 equal to 10 by 12. Okay, so in like fractions what we will do, we only noticed which one is a largest or least number in numerator. In question the order from the largest to the smallest. So largest number in numerator is 18, then 10. Okay, then 3. So our solution is here for final answer 18 by 12. Okay, so this one is the largest. Okay, now second largest number is 5 by 6. Okay, and last one is 1 by 4. Okay, so this is our solution. Okay guys, now we have solved this question by a fraction method. Okay, now how to solve this question in a decimal method. Okay, see, we can write 3 by 2 equals to what? First put 3 in dividend, then 2 in divisor, then put here small bracket, 2 1 ja 2, 1, 2 minus this 1. Okay, now 1 is less than 2, put 1 0 here. For this 0 we put 1 dot here, then 2 5s are 10. Okay, so this one is a, so value of 3 by 2 is 1.5 here. Okay guys, for next next is 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 4. Okay, so write here 4, 1, put a 0 here, then put a dot here for this 0. Okay, then 2, 4 2s are 8, minus 2, put 0, 4 5s are 25, then this becomes 20, make a difference of 20 minus 20 0, or next one is a 0.25. okay, now next one is 5 by 6. okay, so 5 by 6, so put here 5, then 6, put a 0. okay, for this 0 put a dot, then this becomes 48, this is 20. okay, so this is equal to 3, then this is 18, then 2 0 18. okay, then this becomes 3. okay, so value of this one is what? 0.633. okay guys, so you can write, see here I am writing here numbers 3 by 2 comma 1 by 4 comma 5 by 6. okay, this value is 1.5, this value is 0.25, this value is 0.633. okay, so which one is the largest? 1.5 is the largest, so 3 by 2 is the first number. Then which one is the second largest? 0.633. corresponding value is 5 by 6, and third one 0.25, 1 by 4. so our solution is this one. okay, so in both method you can solve this question. okay guys, next example, question number 9. write decimal form 700 8,000. okay guys, solution 700 means 7 by 100. okay, and nothing is said about addition, subtraction, something. so when the question is written like this, you have to make addition of both one. okay, 8,000. okay, 8 by 1,000. now see, here is 2 zeros in denominator, so what we will do, we write a 7, then extreme right to left. okay, then we will put another 0 here. okay, we have put number like this 07 and put a 1 dot here. now for this one we write 8, there are 3 zeros, so 8, then 0, again 0, then dot, then 0. now this is a simple addition of a decimal number. okay, 0700008. okay, so make these two decimal numbers into a like decimal number, so put 1 0, make addition sign. okay, so 0.078. so our answer is 0.078. okay guys, you have already read in my earlier video 1 by 100 equal to 0.01, or 1 by 1000 equal to 0.001. how it comes, explain all. now you can also see 7 by 100 equal to 7 into 100 by 100. Okay, this is equal to 7 into 0.01. Okay, or when you multiply by this one, so this becomes a 0.0007. Okay, or this one 8 by 1000. Now 8 into 1000, so 8 into 0.0001, this becomes 8, or you can say there is a 3 decimal places, so you move right extreme to left, put one 0, put one another 0, stop here, put a dot here. Okay, so this is an explanation of this one or this one. For more clarity, you must watch my earlier uploaded YouTube video based on decimal numbers. Okay, 10 number question. Write 25 and 6,000 in decimal form. Solution. So what will we write? 25 and means you have to add this one 6,000. Okay, so 6 by 1000. Okay, so this is equivalent to 25 plus 0.006. Our answer is this one. Okay guys, now take another example 11. Write it as a expanded form. Question is 3 to 5.745. Okay guys, so solution. Guys, you know this decimal number, this number is a tenth, this one is a hundredth, this one is a thousandth. Okay, this one is a ones, this one is a tenth, this one is a hundreds. Okay, now so place value of 3 is equivalent to 3 into 100. Why? Because 3 is in 100 place. Okay guys, so I have written here 3 multiplied by 100, then plus 2 into 10. So 10 plus 5 into 1, then plus. Okay, see this one is a dot, then we have right here plus sign. Okay, 7/10. Okay, so 7 by 10, 400. Okay, or this one 5,000. Okay, so our final solution is 300 plus 20 plus 5 plus 7 by 10 plus 4 by 100, then 5 by 1000. So this one is a expanded form of this decimal number. In examination, maybe this question is given, or somebody asked you what will be the value of this 4. Okay, so what will be the value of this one is a 4 by 100, or you can ask the place value of 4. So what will be the value? 4 by 100. Okay, and this is equal to 4. Then here is 2 0, put 1 0, then stop here, then put 1 0 before dot. Okay, then answer is 0.04. So place value of 4 is equal to 0.04. Okay. Now next take another example. Question number 12. Number of thousand in 500. So first is number of thousands, it means 1 by 1000. Second one is 5 by 100. Okay, so question is asking you how many this number in this one. So solution is simply we divide 5 by 100 by 1 by 1000. Okay guys, then you can write it 5 by 100. This 1000 will go up or in numerator, then becomes it 1000. This is become a 1. Okay, so simply 20 cut down and this is 50. Okay, or you can make in other way solution, 5 by 100 divided by 1 by 1000. Okay, so you can write it as a 1 by 100. This division becomes a multiplication, or this is becomes a like this. Okay, meaning this denominator will go up and numerator will come down, or becomes a denominator of this one. Okay, or this division sign converted into a multiplication sign. Now see, 100 1 ja 1. Okay, 100 10 ja 1000. Okay, so final answer is 50. It means in this 5 by 100, how many thousands? 50. Okay, now take another example. 13. 45 hundredths more than 345,000. So question is asking you make a addition of this one. Okay, 45 by hundredths. Now second part of the question is more, means addition. So first you write 345. Here thousands is given, so you divide this number by 1000. Okay, so this becomes 0.45, or this becomes 0.345. How? When we divide this one, or you can say here are 3 zeros, so we go from extreme right to left 3 places, 1 2 and 3, then stop, then put a 1 dot here. Okay, see 3 4 5, 1 2 3, then stop here, put a dot here, then put a 0 before this one. So now this one is a simple addition. So write down here 0 4 5 0 3 4 5, or put 1 0 here, then make an addition 5 9 7.0. So final answer is 0.795. Okay, now question number 14. Write down into decimal form. Question is 50 plus 3 plus 2 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. Solution. Notice here 10th number is not given, so take care of this point. So you can write it as a 50 plus 3 plus 0.02. okay, for this one 0.003. okay, now make addition. 50 plus 3 53, then put a dot. Now this one, make an addition of this one, then this one equal to 2.02, then 3. okay, so our solution is 53.023. okay guys, now next question, a 15 number. Solve 2x plus 2 by 10 equal to 53. How could you make solution? So just write 2x plus 2 by 10 53, then you write here 2x. okay, 2 by 10 equal to 0.2. okay, this is becomes 53, then 2x equal to 53 minus 0.2. You guys remember, when plus sign will go left to right, okay, then it becomes a negative sign. okay, then 53.0.20 minus this one equal to 8.25. okay, now 2x equal to becomes a 52.8 here guys. okay, so what will be the value of x? X equal to 52.8 divided by 2. When this multiplication will come left to right, okay, then it's become a division. So solve this one to 52.8. okay, now we cannot solve like this one, we put like this. okay, now 2 2 2 2 4, then 1 2 6 12, this one 0 0 8, then 4, then 8 0. okay, in numerator only one decimal places, here nothing is, so 0. You have already formula about this one, 0 for denominator decimal places or 1 for this one. So this one is a minus 1. Here negative sign is coming. So what you have read? 264 by 10. For more clarity, you see my earlier uploaded video. So this becomes 26.4. okay, or you can say 264 multiplied by 1 by 10. okay guys, so final solution is 26.4. Now take a last example 16. What should be added to 3.45 to get 30.27? Solution. What question is asking? What should be added in this number so you will get this result? Suppose this number is x. So what we write? 23.45 plus x equal to 30.27. okay guys, so x equal to 30.27 minus 23.45. okay, so we write here 30.27, then 23.45, then make a subtraction. 2, okay, 1 carry 12, 8, 9, then 6, 0. Okay, so our solution is here 6.82. Guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family and colleagues too. Thank you very much. In next video I will come with a money.